All right, guys. Well, welcome back to the shop today. And on today's episode, what we are working on is our sliding barn door. We're going to finish sanding the back of it and getting it a little bit more smooth. I kind of like the uneven look. It kind of makes it look like a real barn door. We're going to sand it off a little bit, and then we're going to end up staining it. Also, we're going to finish doing the bottle openers here. We'll be attaching the actual bottle opener that goes right there. And then we'll also be gluing the magnets in the back here, which I had to do off camera because the battery kept dying. So we added the holes for the cap catchers. We finished the polyurethane. We added the magnets. And if you're wondering why the battery kept dying, well, you'll see here in just a second. And now it's time to attach the legs of the cedar chest to the cedar chest, just like so. And of course, before I could use the air nailer, the battery died because it's so... One thing that I've learned from this build so far is next time I build one, I'm going to take the time to make sure it's a little more flat and that I got all the glue off before the glue hardens, because that's quite time consuming trying to get all the glue off. Tune in next time and then you can see us put the finish on the door. So we're going to stain this side of the door next time. Comment down below what color you think we're going to stain it. Thanks for watching.